If you're anything like me and often have a sweet tooth, here is my recipe for my delicious chocolate chip cookies. So I'm starting with my bowl here with my butter that is room temperature. I have my chocolate chips, I have my eggs, I have all of my dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt. I also have some vanilla extract, and I have the sugar. This makes 18 cookies. So right now I'm adding the sugar. I have both brown and white sugar, which is granulated sugar. And I'm just going to cream these two together until it gets nice and fluffy. You want it to get nice and creamy and fluffy and light. Once it gets like that, you're going to add in your eggs. You want to make sure that the eggs is mixed in really well. And now you're going to add in your vanilla extract. Mix that in also really well. Now I'm going to mix all of my dry ingredients together, and then I'm going to just mix the dry to the wet. So in the bowl here I have the flour, baking soda, baking powder, all of that in there, the salt, and then I'm going to just mix all of that into the wet. I kind of did it in parts because you want it to be well incorporated. So just mix it in parts, putting a little at a time, and make sure it all get mixed in there. You don't want to over mix this. You just want it to just get, everything, get all the dry flour out of your batter. So now I'm going to just fold in the chocolate chips into the dough. You can use as many or as little chocolate chips as you desire. I like a lot of chocolate chips in my cookies. You could use two types of chocolate chip. You can use white chocolate chip and this one. This is the only one that I had. This is a semi-sweet chocolate chip. And that's what I had. So that's what I'm using. So we're just folding it in. You don't want to mix this too much. You're just folding it in there. And once it is well folded, you're going to put it onto your cookie sheet, onto a parchment paper. I put a parchment paper on my cookie sheet. And I just put them on there. This also, you don't want to put them too close together. Make sure that there are spaces between them, because when this bake, it gets flat and you don't want your cookies to just, be touching and come into one big clump. So just make sure you leave spaces in between. And yeah, these are my cookies before they go into the oven, and I will show you the finished product. So here is my finished cookies. They were so tasty, so nice and soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. There is nothing like a fresh batch of cookies right out of the oven. And you could have that with some milk. Oh my gosh, that is like heaven right there. So I really hope that you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.